found this old frying pan the other day and I set it up at about 70 yards, and you can see just here it's actually did quite a lot more damage than I thought. So this intrigued me to see how many shots it would take to get fully through this frying pan. So I'm going to set it up at about 25 yards downrange and shoot about 20 shots and then see the damage from there. Let's check the damage out. Not the best accuracy, but it will do. You see all the crushed pellets from hitting the pan. Let's have a look here. I don't think any of them made them through yet. Another one. Let's check the back. And that is pretty bad damage. I don't think it'll be too long, just a one or two in the same hole and it should be all the way through then. One of them's actually stuck in there. Right, we'll keep on shooting. Another few shots, still no success, but we're getting there now. Just almost there. All I've got now is just loads of smashed up pellets. This is just getting more and more ridiculous. Look how much damage. It still hasn't gone all the way through yet. Let's keep shooting more then. Cannot believe it still hasn't gone all the way through yet. Look at that. It's insane. Okay, I decided to go for broke. Standing about 3 feet away. Maybe, just maybe, it'll go through then. Result. I think, finally, this hole just here, just about made it through, after all those shots. So I would guess around 4 or 5 shots it would have taken to go through if I hit it in the same hole, but my accuracy isn't that great, as you can see. But anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe, comment and like if you want to see more videos, and I'll catch you later.